Hi everyone, welcome to the channel, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be resetting the oil service reminder on this 2020 Kia Sportage. So if you've got a dashboard like this with your service required coming up, this is the reset you need. Okay, so you've probably got the sat nav in the middle here and this style steering wheel. Okay, it's 2020 model. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be using this button here mainly, so pretty much this side of the steering wheel. So these three buttons, that toggle there and the OK button. So using that button, we're going to press that and we'll come up to this display. That button lets you scroll through the items at the top there. So we're going to want the cog. So we're going to want to get to that menu, and then using this, we're going to scroll down to, you should have service interval in there. Once you get to that, you then press the OK button and that will bring you to this screen. Once you're on that screen, you can see it's well overdue. Press OK again and hold. Keep holding. Come up with that screen. Reset time and distance. So that's going to be a yes. So we're going to say OK again. As you can see, we're back to 10,000 miles, 365 days to next service. So what we'll do now is switch off the ignition. Hopefully when we restart, we shouldn't have any warning lights to do with, yep, it's all disappeared. So there's no service reminder on at all now. Okay, hope that's helped some of you. If it has, please do like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.